We are using blockchain in the pharmaceutical supply chain to improve transparency and security of the supply chain. This is where we start, and this is the front end of our project. A new account of a raw material supplier, distributor, manufacturer, or retailer may only be added by the owner. We will now demonstrate the transaction to add a retailer. As a result, you can see that a new retailer has been added. Incorporate medicine. No further steps would be possible without the order generation. Only the owner of the blockchain has the authority to order fresh medications. We are currently ordering a new medication. This will be our supply chain, and each step can only be carried out by an authorized and qualified individual, such as a manufacturer or supplier. Now, it won't be possible as demonstrated if an unauthorized individual tries to complete a step that should be performed by another person because the account of owner was selected instead of a raw material supplier's account. Now an authorized supplier will supply eye drop and this action will be permitted. We will now implement a similar policy for manufacturers, and only authorized manufacturers will be permitted to produce. And the process will go on as usual. Additionally, we can monitor each order to determine where it is in the supply chain. So in this manner, we solve the issue of forfeit medicine, untrusted supply chain and inefficiency in delivery in the pharmaceutical field present in the existing system. Thank you.